Let's explore user research app in Fibery. It consists of two types, studies and sessions. So you can plan studies and run many sessions inside studies with real users. Let's review it. There are three views. First shows studies by states. Let's say we can run like usability test study, or we can run like user research, customer discovery study. So here are two of them. This is a usability test and this is customer discovery. And we can click here and see all sessions by studies. For example, this is our usability study and this session was already passed. Let's open it. Here is it. So we have a template, we ask users some specific questions and so on. The most important thing in Fibery is that you can augment your feedback or your research with links to ideas and insights. For example, you do a session, you capture text transcript and so on, and then you can just select text and link it to some existing insight or create a new insight here. Let's say we feel that our reports are not easy to understand, so we can highlight this text and link it to our insight about reports are confusing. And the good thing is that you see backlinks. So from insight point of view, you see what interview you took to really capture this insight. And there can be many references. So if you see the same insight in other interviews, you can add it into them as well, and you just accumulate all references here. Or you can link some text to an idea. For example, we want to encrypt passwords. It's kind of obvious idea. And again, one maybe customer asked about that during our usability tests. And we can link it to idea or create an idea. And if you review other sessions, we see similar things. For example, this was a customer discovery study. And again, we just augmented with some link to insights, maybe mention some competitors and things like that. You can also plan your sessions on calendar. So there is a calendar view. And for example, we have 2 sessions in December. So you can click on it, open and do the same thing. So there are links from your sessions to insights and ideas, and they live in a separate application, but I will not speak about them here yet. Interviews are challenging, so we combined a small interview guidelines, what you should do, how you can work with text in Fibery, and the great book about interviews is the MOM Tests. I really recommend to read it. It's short and to the point.